Shine bright like a diamond.
And this is what the packaging looks like. I got it in the color number 1. It is the RCTB 203 Mini DINO Braid Top Knot. And that's the way that looks right there. Okay. Okay, it has the 3 braids on the top. Give you kind of a Pocahontas feel. Of course, it has a lace. It has the braid going down the back, which I'm not taking that out like I did with the Azah. I definitely plan to leave this the way that it is. And it has baby hairs in the front, which I think this is going to be the first unit where I actually want to keep the baby hairs on there, because I think it's going to help with the look. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and a drawstring. I'm going to carefully cut this lace off, and as you can see, all this parting on the top. I'm sorry, all this lace on the top, and I like how dark the lace is. So I'm going to cut this lace off, and I'll be back. All right, I'm going to be using this Got to Be Free spray. I'm going to attempt to mess with these baby hairs and glue this unit down. And FYI, my edges are not thin because of any type of damage from wigs or weave. I just have a thin hairline. That is genetics. And no, this free spray does not pull out your hairline because, like I said before, this is something new that I am doing, and my hairline is the way it is because of genetics. Okay, now moving forward, I'm going to glue this down. I've seen this done on YouTube. Some people use a hair dryer. I'm just going to tie mine down with a hair scarf, and I'll be back. I only had it tied down for maybe like 15 minutes. I just did some stuff around the house and then just came back to finish up my baby hairs. Okay, I'm going to use this brush. Believe it or not, I got this from the Dollar Tree, and it has a brush on one side, a little mini comb on the other side. And I'm going to take this little comb and I'm going to comb out the little baby hairs, and I'm going to cut them shorter, and so they will fit better with my face and look more natural. Again, this is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm doing the best that I can. With time, I'm sure I will get better, but for right now, I'm trying the best that I can. Okay, I'm going to be using this Got to Be gel to put these hairline baby hairs in place so it can look more natural. And I am going to try my best to do this little swoop method that I've seen the Hearts Cake and 90 do many times, but I'm not quite sure if I got it. But again, I will get better. I think that it is important to keep practicing these different methods so that you can make your units look more natural and customize it to the way that you like it. Now, don't get me wrong. If you don't want the baby hairs on it, you can cut them off. I just thought with this unit, these baby hairs really did add something to it to make the hairline look more realistic. Okay, I'm going to be taking my pressed powder to fill in these parts just a little bit. I won't be doing it a lot because I really think the parting on this unit is pretty good. I am just going in now and just making it a little bit more detailed, but again, I don't really think this is absolutely necessary. I just did it because I thought it made it look just that little bit better. Okay, I just wanted to show you what the length is looking like in the front. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like in the back. And then I'm going to sit down and tell you my final thoughts about this unit. I think this unit is so much fun. It's The detailing on it is gorgeous. We got these 2 braids in the front, one down the middle, coming down the back, long black number 1. I think this unit is so beautiful and so fun. I think you will love it. I'm gonna leave the information to this unit down below. I want to thank shophairwigs.com for sending this unit to me for review purposes. Let me know down below if you want to see more braided units on my channel. I won't know if you don't tell me. Thumbs this video up and let me know what you want to see on my channel, and I will try to get that done for you. I love you guys, and as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.